Ready to turn your big ideas into reality. With GoDaddy, you are just a click away from securing for perfect domain, building a signed website, and launching your brand to the world. Let's make your online presence unforgettable. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use GoDaddy.com. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into GoDaddy.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So GoDaddy is a web services company that provides domain registration, web hosting, website building tools, and online marketing services. Founded in 1997, it is one of the largest domain registrars in the world, helping individuals and businesses establish their online presence. GoDaddy offers a range of products including website design, e-commerce solutions, and various digital marketing tools, making it a one-stop shop for online needs. So to get started, all I have to do is just click over start for free and you will find this page. Here you have your free website. It's only the first step. Create a mobile friendly website for your business for free and witness the growth of your business through integrated marketing. You click over start for free, but before I will show you how you can get started. We have here how to create a free website. The first step, which is choose a template to start building your site or free shop. Then we have the second step, which is add your content, your products, and the contact details of the enterprise to take ownership of the site. Then you have here use integrated marketing to let people know you are up and running. And we have you can manage everything on any device from a single dashboard, reviews, orders, social media also. Then the last step, which is buy premium features according to your needs, add-ons for your shop, referencing SEO and appointments. So once you click over start for free, you will find this page. Here we have create an account, but if you already have an account, you have just to click over login and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started and you find your account. And if you want to sign up, you can choose one of these options. For example, we have your Facebook, Google, or emails. So you have just to link your personal information and then you get started and you will find these three questions. You have just to answer it and then you will find the home page. So the first thing we have is what features does your website need. For example, we have here sell with an online store, make appointments online, and we have something else. And then you click over continue. We have here very well what kind of website do you want. We use this information to recommend photos and content to you. Then we have here find the category that suits you best. For example, we have here nothing, and we have here also hairdresser and hairdresser. Then we have here spa also. Once you do that, you will click over continue and you will find this page or this question. What name should we give to your website? This will be the name of your project. If you change your avis, you can always update it. You can just click over here and you write, for example, your shop or this is a shop. Then you click over continue. For example, here this is my name. You can select the name that you want. So once you're done with these questions, you can find the home page. So I will show you how you can get started. So after sign up for GoDaddy, start by logging into your account. Use the search bar to find and register your desired domain name. Once you have your domain, explore the hosted options and choose one that fits your needs, like shared, VPS, or dedicated hosting. Use the website builder for an easy drag and drop design experience or upload your existing site files. Don't forget to configure your DNS settings for your domain and set up SSL for security. Regularly check your account for renewal reminders and explore additional features like email hosting and marketing tools to enhance your online presence. So here we have various options like dashboard. In the dashboard we have here is how to proceed with the configuration. For example, we have a premium, we have upgrade to remove ads from your site, more opportunity for deployments like upload your own images, manage your social platforms in one place, claim your domain. Then we have here website, like we have here customize your website with a custom domain, publish your site to start welcoming visitors, and we have use Facebook images on your site. Then we have here marketing, Post on social media to increase traffic to your website, send an email campaign to get visitors back to your site, create your first blog post. Then we have your appointments, like list a service of or course, manage information about your business, allow business appointments booking on your site. Then we have your domain name, like there is no domain in this workspace, find it a new area. You can just search, then you click over here and you find it. Then we have also a website. Next steps to begin business like yours often start with basic steps to creating a successful site. For example, here we have make sure your contact information is up to date, review about section, add your logo or create one to strengthen your brand image. You have upload media to use on your site, use Facebook images on your site also. Then you have to improve your site here. For example, here we have customize your website with a custom domain, add links to your social media accounts, make yourself noticed in web searches thanks to reference. Then you have grow your own audience, then you have explore some new tools. Then we have the option of email. About this one, we have create a professional email address for your domain. Build trust by using an email address that matches your domain value, your brand. Every time you send an email, set up custom emails for your business. For example, support here we have here shop.godaddy.sites.com. Then you click over buy now and you buy it. Then we have also here other options like shop, such as presentation, products, categories, comments, parameters, and if we scroll down, we will find also here appointments like presentation, calendar, services, categories, clients, team, parameters also. Then we have social here like presentation, informations, marketing also, presentation, referencing, marketing by email, blog, content creator. Then we have clients, everything, automatizations, forms to the registration, and we have parameters. So GoDaddy services as a comprehensive platform for anyone looking to establish and grow their online presence with its wide array of services, including domain registration, web hosting, and user-friendly website building tools. GoDaddy simplifies the process of going digital for individuals and businesses alike, whether you are launching a personal blog or an e-commerce site. GoDaddy equips you with the tools necessary to succeed in the online world. So this is how it works with GoDaddy. You can just get started as soon as possible, and you have just to follow the steps to get started and find your account, and then you're done with it. So this is it for this video. Guys, I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. I will be happy to help you guys.